Do you know what tools are essential for a well-equipped garden shed? Today we're diving into the top 7 essential tools that no gardener should be without. These are the must-haves for any garden shed. Stay tuned to find out what these essential tools are. First on our list, every gardener needs a good pair of gardening gloves. These trusty sidekicks shield your hands from the tough soil, pesky insects, and those unexpected sharp objects that lurk beneath the earth. So never forget your gardening gloves. Next up, we have pruning shears. Indispensable for maintaining a well-groomed garden, these handy tools allow you to trim and shape plants with precision. Whether it's controlling growth or encouraging healthier blooms, shears make it simple. Pruning shears, a must-have for every gardener. Third on our list, the garden trowel. This nifty little hand tool is your trusty companion for all your digging and planting needs. With its pointed, scoop-shaped blade, it makes breaking ground and transplanting your favorite plants a breeze. A garden trowel, a tool you can't do without. The last 4 tools on our list are the rake, watering can, wheelbarrow, and garden hoe. Each of these tools serves a unique purpose that makes gardening more manageable. For instance, a rake is your best friend when it comes to tidying up your garden. It effortlessly gathers leaves and other debris, keeping your garden clean and healthy. Next, we have the watering can, an essential tool for hydrating your plants. It allows for a gentle rainfall-like watering that's perfect for delicate flowers and seedlings. The wheelbarrow is a gardener's workhorse, great for transporting soil, compost, or even plants across your garden. Lastly, the garden hoe, a versatile tool excellent for weeding and breaking up soil, ensuring your plants have room to grow. These 4 tools will make your gardening tasks much easier. So there you have it, the top 7 essential tools for a well-equipped garden shed. Gardening gloves, pruning shears, a garden trowel, rake, watering can, wheelbarrow, and garden hoe. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips.